When you go out and talk to customers, you will most likely not find a completely new need that has never been uncovered before. And I guess that's totally fine and normal. Customer needs are kind of universal with a few exceptions. That means as human beings, we basically share the same needs, no matter where we're from or which time we were born into. I know that sounds controversial for some people, but here's what I mean. A need is a state of being you aspire. No matter who you are and what your job is right now. You have a need to be organized, for example. You need orientation in life in general, but also in very specific situations in life. We are a species that can only tolerate complexity to a certain degree. That is why human beings have always come up with solutions that help them to orient themselves and to organize things for them. Now, this is important. The solutions change with people preferences, but the underlying needs stay the same. Here's an easy example for needs and how user preferences change, but the needs still stay the same. You can see that the need for being organized, the need for entertainment, to save time, to orient yourself, they all have been addressed at any time. In some cases, you can go back to the Stone Age and find cavemen, for example, drawing things on stone walls to be entertained or to find orientation. What is actually changing are our preferences. New applications come and go. And once the smartphone became accessible and relatively cheap, most of us stopped using calendars and notebooks. And we switched to apps that would address the very same need of being organized in our daily life. Preferences are the things we can observe and ask for when interacting with customers. Needs are implicit, and they are more or less relevant depending on the situation you're in. You don't always need orientation, but sometimes orientation is all you need and nothing else. So the relevance of a need can only be understood in relation to the situation or the context in which someone is in.